Hello everyone, my name is Vipul Patel from the Institute of IT Training Canada. Today I'm going to give some tips and some insights on how to change resume based on the job description. It is very important aspect of getting an interview. So I'm going to go through some dummy jobs as well as a sample resume which I have created for a quality assurance analyst role. So if you're applying for a QA analyst, QA lead, senior QA manager, director, vice president role, how would you change your resume based on the job description? So here is a sample resume. You can take this as an example to make a changes on your resume. So your resume should show the name, then the title of your profile, the phone number, the email address, the LinkedIn profile is very important to get some jobs through the LinkedIn as well. Then you need to show about you. So who are you? In a quick 2 or 3 lines, you mention that those eye-catching keywords as well as lines that can attract all the hiring managers and can read it, and they are excited to talk to you and to get you hired. So that could be those 2 to 3 lines about you. The next one, I have professional experience. So the one could be the first one where you're currently actively working or was recent job. So what are you supposed to show as part of the job? First and foremost thing is that there should be a title of your job and the duration of the position, how long you have worked for on this position and which company it is, what tools you have used, what projects you have worked for. So I have some dummy examples of the projects which shows what are the achievements as part of these projects at this company, at this organization. And finally, coming to the responsibility area. So this is the area where I'm going to change or add the keywords or the exactly similar lines or from the job description to my resume. So here is a job which is saying quality assurance analyst at one of the Toronto company. So what they're looking for is they're looking for quality assurance analyst, and here is what are the detailed areas of their aspects of for this job. So they're looking for someone who can create test design, test plan, test scenarios, test data, and work and coordinate with QA lead. So that's our first line into the job description. So how can I add the similar line into my resume? So I have added simple, easy line, which converting all the keywords and it's mentioning all the keywords from the first line. So what I've created is creating test plan, test scenarios, test data for ongoing CI/CD IOFIT enhancements and reporting to QA lead. That's simple, right? Second line, writes and execute test cases. So I converted that to my resume into the responsibility area, designing and executing test cases using Jira, right? So I converted all the keywords from here into my resume. Third one, it says documents results and provide updates to project teams and management as requested. And I have written this way: documenting test results, providing up-to-date status report to project stakeholders on the daily basis. The fourth line says accountable for the accurate execution of tests for digital solutions being implemented, prepared for test artifacts in alignment with best practices. I have written something similar, which covers all the aspects, all the keywords. Responsible for the accurate test execution, test coverage, test reports, defect management, and all test artifacts for the digital applications implementation to maintain and managing highest quality assurance standards and procedures. Right? Likewise, I would go and pretty much add similar lines as well as the keywords into my resume to make sure I'm matching more than 80% of the keywords coverage. At the end, after first job, maybe I will have the second job, a third job. I'm just showing all to make sure I have all the first 3 jobs minimum have keywords matching from this job description. I would have education and certifications at the last. I would also have, what are my, have I done any, the community work. I can also show or mention over here. So this could be the easy way to show or convert the keywords from the job description to the resume. I hope this helped you. You can definitely do the same way. Do these changes, apply the jobs, let me know how is it going. If you need any further help, feel free to contact me, Vipul, at Institute of IT Training Canada. We'll help you further on this same area. Looking forward to see you and have a great day. Thank you from the Institute of IT Training Canada.